Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain a very important phenomenon of electric current, which is heating effect of current. This was derived by Joule, so it is also called heating effect of current. It plays very important role in our daily life. It has various applications in our daily life. When current passes through a conductor, it becomes very hot. Some amount of electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Example, we will see some example. When current passes through an electric bulb, the filament of the bulb becomes red hot and begins to glow. Next example, we can see electric iron, heater, etc. becomes too hot due to conversion of electric current into heat energy. We see that electrical energy is converted into heat energy in this process. The reason behind that, the conducting wire or filament has some resistance and opposes the flow of charges, and in turn heat energy is produced. During this process, when potential difference is applied across the conductor, the free electrons move from lower potential to higher potential opposite to the flow of electric current. As a result of movement of electrons against resistance of the conductor, the work is done, which is converted into or stored into heat energy. Thus, we can define the phenomenon of production of heat energy due to flow of electric current through a conductor is called heating effect of current. This phenomenon was explained first of all by the scientist Joule. So it is also called Joule's heating effect of current. This phenomenon was derived or observed by full name of the scientist James Prescott Joule in 1841, called Joule's law of heating effect. According to this, I have drawn a diagram. Let us consider a conductor whose length is L, which is connected between potential difference, source of electricity V, I is current, R is the resistance. Then, according to this law, heat energy produced in a conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current, directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor, and directly proportional to the flow of electric current. So, in mathematically, we can write H proportional to I square, H proportional to R, and H proportional to T. We will combine, and after combining, H proportional to I square RT. So H is equal to I square RT. Constant is kept. Okay. So this equation is known as Joule's equation of heating effect of current. Heat produced due to flow of current depends upon current, resistance, and time taken to flow the current in the conductor. We will prove, we can derive it. Let us consider a circuit diagram. Let us consider a electric diagram which is connected between I have just drawn that the circuit diagram in which V is potential, I is current, R is flow of current. Okay, I have written, just try to observe that. So what is the amount of charge flowing in that? Q is equal to IT. If the current passes for t second, then Q is equal to IT, and V is equal to W by Q in previous formula. So from equation 1 and 2, W is equal to V and Q, V into Q. Hence W is equal to, in place of V, IR, in place of Q, IT, and W is equal to I square RT. Okay, so in combining all, as we know that work done is converted into heat energy. Okay, hence W is equal to H, or you can also write electrical energy. So thus H is equal to I square RT. We conclude from the equation H is directly proportional to I square, where R and T remains constant. H proportional to R, where I and T remains constant. And finally H proportional to T, when I and R remains constant. So also heat energy produced due to flow of current depends on these three factors: current, resistance, and time. Okay, and time. We can write this equation in other forms. H is equal to W is equal to I square RT. H is equal to W I R into I into 2 T. VIT here. So W is equal to VIT. Again W is equal to V square by R into T. And finally here again V is equal to W by Q. Then W is equal to V into Q. These are the forms of heating effect of current. These are the formula related to the heating effect of current. Okay. This law of heating effect of current given by Joule is very important, which help us to use in various purposes. Okay, these plays very important role in our daily life, like in geyser, heater, iron. Heat is produced, can be calculated by using this law. This will help you to increase your knowledge in the heating effect of current. Thank you.